Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad algebra problem, and here we have m plus n equals to 2 and m times of n equals to 11, and we solve this problem for the values of m and n. So here the very first step we are going to do is, here first we call this is our equation number 1 and we call this is our equation number 2. And now in the next step, here first we focus on equation number 1. So in equation number 1 we have here we move this m to the right hand side, and it will be written as n equals to 2 minus m, and we call this is our equation number 3. So now we use this equation number 3 in equation number 2, and we substitute the value of n in equation number 2. And now our equation number 2 is written as m times of n. So our value of n is 2 minus m, and this is equals to 11. And now in the next step we multiply this m on both of these terms, and it will be written as 2m, and minus, when we multiply this m by here, it will be written as m square equals to 11. And now in the next step we move both of these two terms to the right hand side, and it will be written as so this is minus m square. When we move in the right hand side, it will be written as plus m square, and this is plus 2m. When we move in the right hand side, it will be written as minus 2m, and this is plus 11 already placed in the right hand side, and this whole equation equals to 0. So now you focus here, this will be converted into quadratic form in m variable. So here we just use the quadratic formula in order to solve this equation. And now first we write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and c equals to plus 11. And now our quadratic formula is stated as minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. And now in the next step, here we just substitute the values of a, b and c in this formula, and we have b is minus 2. We substitute it here, and it will be written as minus times of minus 2 plus minus square root of b square. So b is minus 2 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 11, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and our a is equals to 1. And now in the next step, here we multiply both of these values, and this is minus times of minus becomes plus 2 plus minus square root of minus 2 square equals to plus 4, and 4 times of 11 equals to 44 divided by 2 times of 1 is 2. And now in the next step, here we subtract this 4 by minus 44. It will be written as 2 plus minus square root of minus 40 divided by 2. And now here we focus on the just this radical term, and we rewrite this minus 40 square root as 2 plus minus. So we write this 40 as 4 times of 10. We know that 4 times of 10 is 40, and we separate the square root of minus 1, and we just break this fraction, and we write these two separately on both of these terms. And now you see here, this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and we get plus 1 and plus minus. Here you see that the square root of 4 is equals to 2 into square root of 10 divided by this 2, and we know that minus 1 square root equals to iota. And now in the next step, here we need some simplification, and you see that this 2 is cancelled out by this 2, and here we get our m equals to 1 plus minus square root of 10 into iota. So these are the two complex values of m, and now from these two complex values of m, we find the corresponding values of n. So here we need our equation number 3, so that we copy down equation number 3 here. So from equation number 3, we have n equals to 2 minus m. This is equation number 3, and we put these two values separately in this equation, and here we write the positive value of m, it is 1 plus square root of 10 iota, and here we write the negative value, it is 1 minus square root of 10 iota. So now first we put this value of m in this equation, and it is written as n equals to 2 minus m, and the value of m in this case is 1 plus square root of 10 iota. Now we multiply this minus 1 on both of these terms, and it will be written as 2 minus 1 minus square root of 10 iota, and 2 minus 1 equals to plus 1 minus square root of 10 iota. So this is the value of n corresponding to this value of m. So in the first case we get the solution set of m and n is equals to 1 plus square root of 10 iota. This is the value of m, and the value of n is 1 minus square root of 10 iota. This is the value of n. And now we move towards our second case, and in this case here we substitute this value of m in this equation, and it will be written as n equals to this is 2 minus m, and 2 minus value of m is 1 minus square root of 10 iota, and here we again multiply this negative sign, and it will be written as 2 minus 1 plus square root of 10 iota, and we know that 2 minus 1 equals to plus 1 and plus square root of 10 iota. So this is the value of n from second case corresponding to this value of m equals to 1 minus 10 square root iota. So that our second solution set is mn equals to 1 minus square root of 10 iota and 1 plus square root of 10 iota. So this is the second solution set of the given equation. And now here we just check these solutions. Is these solutions satisfied our given question statement or not? Okay, so here I can just verify only one solution, and I can just remain the other solution for you. You can check the other solution. Okay, so here we check the first solution, this one, and now we write the given equations. So our given equations are m plus n equals to 2. This is the first equation, and the second equation is m multiplied by n equals to 11. So now we put these values of m and n in this equation, and it will be written as 1 plus square root of 10 into iota, and the value of n is 1 minus square root of 10 into iota equals to 2. So this is negative and positive are cancelled by each other, and 1 plus 1 equals to 2 equals to 2. This shows that the first solution satisfied the first equation. And now we check the solution in second case. So here we put the value of m is 1 plus 10 square root iota, and n is 1 minus 10 square root iota equals to 11. And here we use the nice square identity. So we write these factors are 1 square minus square root of 10 iota square equals to 11. And 1 square equals to 1, and 10 square root of 10 is equals to only 10, and iota square equals to iota square, and iota square is equals to minus 1. So this minus 1 multiplied by this minus will becomes plus 10 equals to 11, because we know that iota square equals to minus 1. We use this value of iota square. So 1 plus 10 equals to 11 equals to 11. So this shows that the solution 1 is satisfied the second equation as well. So it means that solution 1 is the this value of m and n be the solution of the given equation. And now you check the second case for yourself. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.